Hi there, this is a training video session by GG Technologies. From this training session you can understand how to implement document management in SharePoint 2010. Before starting, let me refresh you with the basic concepts on document management. A document management system is a set of programs or features used to track and store electronic documents. In this training session, I will show you how the Content Organizer feature in SharePoint 2010 helps in document management. Here, my requirement is to redirect the uploaded documents to the correct document library based on the Content Organizer rules. For that, I have already created a document library named as Library 1. First, let's enable the Content Organizer feature. In the website, go to Site Actions and navigate to the Site Settings menu. Then, in the Site Settings page, spot Site Actions in the Press Manage Site Features. In the Features page, spot the Content Organizer feature and you can enable it by pressing the Activate button. But before doing it, rewind and take a look at the Site Administration section carefully. Similarly, in the left pane, spot the Library section and carefully note the available document libraries. After careful viewing, enable the Content Organizer feature. Now in the Site Administration section, you can find two additional settings, namely, Content Organizer Settings and Content Organizer Rules. Similarly, you can find an additional document library in the left pane, namely Drop-Off Library. Let us see the Content Organizer settings. Now press Content Organizer Settings. Here, I use the default settings. If you have made any changes, press OK. Now it's time to create Content Organizer Rules. Here, I create a rule for Library 1. In order to create the rule, press Content Organizer Rules. Now press Add New Item. Then, a new rule creation page appears. In that, specify your custom name. Here I name it as Rule 1. Then for rule status and priority, I continue with the default settings. For Submissions Content Type section, I configure it relevant to document management. Regarding Conditions section, I set the condition for the property title and assign its value as Title 1. In the target location, I specify the destination as Library 1. Now you can see the Content Organizer rule created for Library 1. Now it's time to check the rule. Here, I upload a document to Library 1, in which, while providing the value for Title section, I provide the conditional value, which I specified in Rule 1. Now the document is successfully uploaded to Library 1. Now I try to upload a document to Library 1, in which I provide wrong value for the Title section. Then the document is redirected to the Drop-Off Library. Finally, I go to Drop-Off Library. Then I spot the document and provide the correct conditional value for the Title section. Now the document is successfully redirected to Library 1 based on Rule 1. From this session, it is clear that, if correct value is provided, then the documents are uploaded to Library 1. If wrong conditional value is provided, then the documents are redirected to Drop-Off Library. If I provide the correct value for the documents in the Drop-Off Library, it reaches Library 1. We hope that this training session on the document management made your task simple and interesting. We feel happy in providing you with the training on how to implement document management in SharePoint 2010. For queries, feel free to contact us at guruji@ggtech.com. In our forthcoming training session, you can check out how to configure permission level in SharePoint 2010. Looking forward to serve you better. Thank you.